Did you know that the power to heal is already within you? For thousands of years, our ancestors have activated the body's natural healing processes through energy healing practices such as Qigong, yoga, Ayurveda, Chinese acupuncture, Reiki, sound and vibration, meditation, visualization, and many other techniques. And now, millions around the world, just like you, are waking up to a whole new reality of using these incredible practices to restore peace and balance within, boost health and vitality, and even heal and prevent disease. If you or a loved one struggle with aches and pains, chronic illness, depression or anxiety, or even life-threatening diseases like cancer, energy healing may be the missing link in your treatment. You see, conventional medicine has made great strides over the past century, but its focus has always been on diagnosing symptoms and treating you from the outside in. Energy medicine, on the other hand, unlocks your inner healer, allowing you to heal from the inside and address the root cause. Hi, I'm Tom McCarthy, your host for the 2021 Global Energy Healing Summit. And I've dedicated my life to helping thousands of wonderful people just like you to harness and master your energy to heal. To demonstrate this, I'm interviewing over 40 of the top doctors, scientists, research experts, and energy healing practitioners from all over the world to share the best advice and techniques to empower you with more vitality, happiness, and health. In the new Global Energy Healing Summit, you're going to discover leading-edge energy practices that will unleash your body's natural ability to heal. And you're going to learn them from the world's top experts in energy medicine and healing. You'll gain the practices and techniques to balance your emotions, address trauma, revitalize your relationships, treat ailments, and even prevent disease. And best of all, you'll see that there truly is a way to be the healthiest and happiest you for many years to come through the incredible power of energy. So to make sure you don't miss a single second of this free online summit, please take a quick moment right now to register with your name and email address so we know where to send your free virtual ticket. I hope you'll join me on this journey to discover how to care for and heal yourself through the magnificent power of energy. I'm Tom McCarthy, and I'll see you at the 2021 Global Energy Healing Summit.